Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park level, engage the parking brake and switch the ignition off. Open the glove box, push in the sides or remove the dampener to drop it fully so the glove box clears the stops. You want a clear view of the cabin filter housing behind it. Once done, keep a flashlight and gloves at hand and check the replacement filter matches the OEM shape and size. This prevents misfit and reduces dust bypass later. You now remove the filter cover by pressing its clips or tabs and sliding it off. Do not force plastic tabs. Grasp the old filter and pull it straight out to avoid dislodging trapped debris into ducts. Note the airflow arrow stamped on the filter. This orientation is crucial for proper sealing and performance. Inspect the filter for leaves, dust, or mold if housing has loose debris. Vacuum gently and wipe with a damp cloth before inserting the new filter to ensure full airflow. You place the new filter into the housing with the airflow arrow toward the cabin. Make sure it seats evenly without folding edges. Reattach the cover until clips click, then lift the glove box back into position and restore any dampener. Confirm stops engage. Start the car and run the blower through low, medium, and high to verify airflow and quiet operation. If you still notice odors or poor airflow, check for gaps in the housing seal or a clogged intake behind the cowl. Those are common troubleshooting causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.